Spicy Pickle Productions! Yeah! Okay, so I'm gonna do... Stay here. 15 questions squishy tag that Shwei and hninsy did. And the first question is, the first squishy you ever had. And the first squishy I got was this bread bun. I drew some dimples on it, but it didn't have the dimples. It's not really squishy. It's really textured though. I got this one from Squish for Kawaii. And number 2 is, what do you think is a perfect squishy? Perfect squishy would be like a big, squishy, pretty squishy. Yeah. And these two are somewhat like the perfect squishies I have. Like this big, real soft. This would be a perfect squishy if it didn't smell so bad. So yeah. And then this other one. It's a Sammy cupcake. Chester, please. Okay, thank you. Okay, number 3. What's your favorite squishy scent? I personally don't like when squishies are scented because they usually smell like popcorn. And I don't like the smell of popcorn. I hate popcorn. But if I had to choose a scent, it would be the cotton candy scent, which no squishy has that. I only have one squishy that has that scent. Okay, number 4, I think. High-end squishy. High-end squishy that I have is again this Royal Soft. I didn't really buy this. I mean, I got it with my Make-A-Wish money, but I heard it's like $12 and it has really cute packaging and stuff. So yeah. So number 5. A squishy I always wanted. I've always wanted the Sammy Pinky Berry Donut. I almost traded one, but I was so close and didn't get it. It was too good to be true. Go over there. Okay, so number 6. Favorite cheap squishy. And my favorite cheap squishy is this Jumbo Panda Bone. It's really cute and squishy. The thing that I don't like about it is that in the middle, for some reason, they're all sticky. And this one kind of like came deflected, and every time I squish it, my finger marks just stay on it. So yeah. And this one smells like popcorn, so popcorn. So yeah. Number 7 is most cherished squishy. And like I said before, I love the Sammy donuts. So my most cherished squishy is this one. And it's not that squishy, but like I squish it a lot for some reason. But it's really defected. So yeah. There's a thing on the back. And here's the tag. So number 8. How often do I buy squishies? I don't buy them very often, especially since I got a bunch for my Make-A-Wish. So I haven't bought any in like 3 months. And I don't usually buy them because I don't spend that much money on squishies. I'm not the type of person who would spend $50 on squishies. Okay, so next question. Okay, what squishies do I collect the most? Well, I kind of have like an even amount of each squishy like thing. But like the one that I have the most is the Cafe Sakura. I kind of have the whole collection, but I didn't buy these. These were a gift from Santa, from Kawaii X Candy. And I'm gonna squish them. Shut up. God. My brother always tries to ruin my videos. And these are really sticky. Like, I love these. Okay, number... what number was I on? 9? Number 9. Favorite squishy shop? Well, I like Kawaii X Candy, but I don't really buy from them a lot. I only bought from them like one time, and then when I went, I buy from Squish for Kawaii a lot.
What happens when
Shut up!
they're seeing this video? Hey, you see how she disrespects her brother?
Samal, can you stop?
She's mean.
God. Okay, favorite brand. I like Cafe Sakura brand. This is really squishy and good quality and cute. Except that the cake rolls don't really look realistic. And number something. Hold on. Why do you like squishes? I like squishes because they're just really cute and squishy and big and squishy. And they're like stress balls. They release my stresses. So that's the end of this video. And always remember to have your magical pickles.